GridFlex 10 is engineered for easy access beneath the panels. Each individual panel can be swung up from the roof surface simply by loosening both north stanchion clamps that secure its north edge. No disassembly of any part of the system is necessary, including the wind deflectors. It is best practice to secure the modules when upright. When conducting wire management, or O&M, assigning an installer to hold the module in place will protect against accidents. Propping an upright module with a length of rail or conduit would also work to keep an upright module stable. Just be sure that the object is placed securely. With one end against the module edge, it can be braced within the ballasting of the system. If the end contacts the roof surface, protect it by placing a roof pad down as a buffer, or wrap the end in tape.